Today, I'll show you how to delete a project in HoneyBook. Whether you're looking to clean up your workspace or simply remove an old product that's no longer needed, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Deleting a project is straightforward, but it's important to remember that once it's gone for good. So make sure you're ready to say goodbye to all the associated messages, files, and data. First, you'll want to open the project you intend to delete. Start by navigating to your project's pipeline. This is where all your projects are listed, making it easy to access the specific one you want to remove. Take a moment to locate it in the list and click on it to open. This will bring up all the details and elements associated with that project, giving you a chance to review everything before taking any further action. Once you're inside the project, it's time to find the option to delete it. Look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll either see a three-dot icon or a trash can icon. These icons are your gateway to managing the project settings and ultimately deleting the project. Clicking on either will reveal a drop-down menu or a direct option to delete. It's a small but crucial step, so make sure you've clicked on the correct icon. Now comes the moment of truth, confirming the deletion. After you select the delete option, a pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is HoneyBook's way of double-checking with you to ensure that you really want to proceed with this action. It's a safeguard against accidental deletions, which can be quite handy. Within this pop-up, you'll need to click on the delete button again to finalize your decision. Remember, once you confirm, all the project's files, messages, and data will be permanently erased. There's no going back, so make sure you've double-checked everything before hitting that button. And there you have it. The project is now deleted from your HoneyBook account. It's a simple process, but one that requires careful consideration due to its permanent nature. By following these steps, you can keep your workspace organized and clutter-free, ensuring that your current projects get the attention they deserve. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more tutorials to help you master HoneyBook and other tools. Happy organizing!